Alright, for me say breaking news, Tamale Technical University, demonstration now students, peaceful demonstration, and the authorities for Eddie police near soldier for the good campus now, asem no aye critical, aye basa. Busia, peaceful demonstration now cause war, Tamale Technical University, no, I done different thing. I done the war, bro. I done the war. Abuja, mama yenko share the ekoso. Tamale Technical University war. Na it's here a free demonstration into war because it's here students need police for anya class anya seketwa. Abuja, mama yenko mbra. Bye pastor.
We started this demonstration on a peaceful note, and it's all about school fees, increment of school fees that generated this demonstration. Initially, we started it very peacefully. Then all of a sudden, they involved the police. This is a student's affair. They shouldn't have been police. They even drove their car in and started spraying. I don't know what substances it is, but I'm sure it should be hot water. They started spraying it on us. That's where the students go angry and also started throwing back at the police. See, you can barely look around. We keep paying school fees, but there's no sign of anything. We keep paying money every year. What they are all interested in, we paying school fees all the time. And we can't keep paying school fees. See, imagine you go to this school for 5 good years, 2 good years, 5 good years, 2 good years without completing without certificates. And when you go, they'll be like, the fault is from CTVET, the fault is from ICT. Students' own is to write exams, and you have to provide each student with their certificates. So imagine you going to school and completing without certificates. What's the essence of it?
My name is Musa Mahmoud. I'm the Assistant Public Relations Officer for Tamale Technical University. So this morning, what you are seeing is a demonstration, a planned peaceful demonstration that has been organized by the Graduate Student Association of this university as well as the Student Representative Council. Our main motive for organizing this demonstration is an issue we have at hand with management, which has to do with the activities that are pressing issues that are affecting student body in this particular university. Let's talk about lecture halls. Let's talk about campus comfortability. Let's look at the hostels. Let's look at the administration block itself. This is a university. This is not an institute. This is a university. This is not a primary school. And we are saying that for over the years we have been paying school fees. If you take the school fees structure, there are levies for development, there are levies for sanitation, exams, there are levies for medical examination. Ask those who are here who have anybody conducted medical examination for. There are development levies that is supposed to develop this particular university. When you go to the lecture hall, it will take you out of the room. The stench around the HND block, you can't even stand. Go to the hostel right now. In fact, during the holidays, we thought if you see the hostel, master, you will think like it's an abandoned structure that has been left there to rest. Meanwhile, students pay 1,200 Ghana cedi to go and lay themselves there. They pay additional 100 Ghana cedi as dues in the hostel, but go there, it looks like an abandoned structure. That is why the SI is saying that it is enough. Per our understanding, as it stands now, our week celebration is at stake. It might not come on if management did not intervene. Our request, our money, the money that we have paid as part of our school fees, that is the hostel, the school fees, the SRC dues. Management is supposed to transfer to us to run the administration of the SRC. As it stands now, we don't have money to conduct election. We don't have money to celebrate our week celebration. Our teachers, we have not completed the payment. We wrote to management, our follow and our checkup. Management vice chancellor himself have agreed and approved that instead of the money we requested, he reduced it by approve a certain amount, which we follow to the finance directorate. And at the start, because we engaged management yesterday as part of our core mandate as leaders, we tried all mechanisms that we were supposed to do to engage management so that we solve this amicably. It doesn't see the light of day. We meet management, themselves requested for a meeting. We meet with management. The vice chancellor of this university himself was there. All that they could say was not to listen to what we were coming to present to them. I say I'm disappointed, and at the same time, I'm not disappointed. One, you are here as the media. All the media houses that we have engaged, they are all here. And besides, the petition I am holding now is directed to the Minister of Education. So we are only copying the administration. We are writing to the Minister of Education for administration. The countless letters that were presented to the administration, they should use that as the evidence.
Do you think it was right to engage?
We did not engage engagement with the police. The police, I would rather say the police attack us. We were doing our peaceful demonstration. We never invited police.
That's right.
Permission to film, eh?
You can come to the